Hello everyone, my name is Dominic and I'm one of the product specialists here at Spy Center Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. Today I'm here to talk to you about the 1080p Pro Black Box Nanny Camera. But first, if you find this video helpful, please like our video and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook and Twitter. Just click on the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, spycenter.com. And if you'd like to purchase this product, you can click on the link in the upper right hand corner or go to the description below and click on the link there. The Pro Black Box camera features 8 to 10 hours of battery life that is rechargeable, or you can leave it plugged in for continuous power. The Wi-Fi Black Box camera supports up to a 128GB SD card and will allow for live 1080p video streaming as well as heat sensing capability, all compacted into a slim rectangular design. This camera has many features that you can access through the HD Smart IPC application, which is downloadable on both Android and iPhone operating systems.
Let me show you what comes in the box. First, we have this small utility tool that is used to pry open the port concealment flap. Up next, we have a USB micro SD card reader. This is used if you choose not to utilize the Wi-Fi capabilities and want to do things the old-fashioned way. This is the micro USB to USB cable, which is used for charging the unit. You can plug this into the power block and the unconcealed port on the back of the camera. Next up, we have the factory quick start guide and the complete custom Spy Center user manual. The quick guide explains how the Wi-Fi capabilities work, and the Spy Center manual contains any and all info you need on the camera setup, optimization, and utilization. Lastly, we have the unit itself. It looks pretty barren from the outside, but all the secrets are hidden underneath this small flap. Let me show you how to get inside. Grab the tiny utility tool and use it to pry off the concealment flap. So underneath the flap, you'll be able to see the on and off switch for the device, the exposed micro USB port, which is used to charge it, and the micro SD card slot, which is where the SD card will go for your memory. Then you also have a reset button, which is used to reset the device if it gets frozen or stuck. So keep in mind, you can use all this through the HD Smart IPC application as well. The app is called HD Smart IPC and is available for free on Android and iOS app stores. Once you have the app downloaded, you'll head over to your Wi-Fi settings. If your camera is on, it should be emitting a Wi-Fi signal that corresponds with the serial number on the side of the device. Connect to this Wi-Fi. Now head over to the app and click Add Device. Then scan the QR code. This QR code can be found on the side of the device and is the easiest way to connect your camera to your phone. Once it loads, click Wi-Fi, then Next. Then you have the option to link it to your home or office Wi-Fi. I'm going to show you how to do this a different way in a second. So we're going to click Next one more time. And you are now successfully connected to your camera's network, as you can see. You can now remotely view your camera from your home or office. Now, let's sync the camera's network with our home or office network to truly be remote viewing and monitoring. Click on the small settings symbol at the bottom right hand side of the live stream preview. Click on Device Settings. As you can see, this screen has many different customizations options, including camera name and password, motion alarm, and what we are looking for, Wi-Fi configuration. Now simply find your network in the list or type in its name in the top bar and put in the password. Wait a few seconds and it should give you a pop-up prompt saying device reboot. After the screen is cleared, give your device a few minutes to reboot, and then the 1080p live stream and remote viewing should be available anywhere you have a Wi-Fi or cell phone signal with data.
After this step, the camera should be connected to the internet. You can double check this by turning off the Wi-Fi on your phone. By only using your cellular data, if the camera is still viewable, then the connection has been established correctly. From here, the application allows you to adjust the settings of your camera using the video configuration button, allowing you to adjust the recording modes to no record, motion recording, or all day recording. You can even create a custom schedule for your recordings by adjusting the open and close time. You can also adjust the motion sensitivity from either a low, medium, or high. This is absolutely one of my top favorite designs of all time. It's a flat black rectangular shape which allows for many options on the discrete recording side. Some of the most popular uses for this is to keep an eye on mom or dad at the nursing home, and to watch the nanny or even maid service to make sure they aren't going places that they shouldn't be. This camera produces some great 1080p video footage. Let's take a look at this quality demonstration.
The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only, and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. Spy Center is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. Spy Center encourages you check your local, state, and country laws prior to usage. This is a quality demonstration of the 1080p black box camera at 5 feet. This is a quality demonstration at 20 feet. And lastly, this is a quality demonstration of the 1080p black box camera at 30 feet. Now let's head back to the studio.
The Wi-Fi 1080p Pro Black Box camera produces clean high-definition video. All the videos will be stored onto a micro SD card with up to 128 gigabytes of memory, and when you're ready to watch the videos, you can access the recordings by clicking on the Files tab in the application. By clicking on each individual file, you can download them directly to your phone. There's even an option that allows you to share the videos via other platforms as well, so essentially email, text, that type of deal. You can also save them to your phone though as well if needed. You also have the ability to review the information on your computer by removing the micro SD card and inserting that directly into your PC or Mac. The videos will be playable on both PC and Mac via either Windows Media Player, VLC Media Player, or QuickTime. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more product tutorial and review videos. If you like this product and would like to check it out, I'm going to put a link in the top right hand corner of the video and in the description below. What sets Spy Center apart from other spy gear stores is that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've been the leading provider of quality spy gear in the Dallas-Fort Worth area for nearly 30 years. And we offer free FedEx 2-day shipping to all 50 states, even Alaska and Hawaii. We're standing by to answer any and all questions you may have via online chat at spycenter.com and on our telephones at 1-800-292-7748. Thanks for watching. See you next time.